Are you still using remote access software like AnyDesk, UltraViewer, or TeamViewer? Most of these tools are either paid, limited, or sometimes slow when you need them the most. But what if I tell you there is a powerful tool by Google that is completely free for lifetime, super fast, and works smoothly on both Windows and Mac? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Remote Access to control another computer from anywhere in just a few clicks. No complicated setup, no subscription, and no lag. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll show you step by step how to set it up and start using it instantly. Let's get started. First of all, open Chrome, because it is a Chrome extension. Now go to google.com and search for Google Remote Desktop, then press Enter. So you will find this first website, remotedesktop.google.com. We want to open this website. You will find two options, Access My Computer or Share My Screen. So use this option if you want to securely access your computer whenever you are away using your phone, tablet, or another computer. You can use this option if you want to share your screen to collaborate in real time and connect with another computer to give or receive remote access. So I'm going to click this option. Now first, we have to click on this Share This Screen. Now click on it. It will open a new window. You can close this window, and it is asking to add the Chrome extension. Now click on the Add to Chrome button. It will again ask to add the extension. Just click on Add Extension. And the extension file will be downloaded, and you will get this Ready to Install window. You have to just double-click to run the setup. And then, if you get any User Account Control option, you have to click on the Yes button to accept, and it will be installed successfully. Now we have to generate the code if we want to give access to this screen. Just click outside this window. You can now connect another computer by using this option. Now I'm taking access of another computer, which is a MacBook. So I'm entering my code over here. This is the code of my MacBook Air. Now click on Connect. Then the user has to accept the option to share the screen. So once the user has clicked on Share the Screen, we can see the screen in this window. Now we can access it. So if you get any option to see text or image messages for copy, you can allow it if you want, otherwise you can skip it. I am going to allow it. And now we can easily access screen of my MacBook Air. You can see this is a MacBook. I can open any file or application here, work on it just like I am sitting in front of that computer, and perform any task I need without any restriction. And the best part is that it is completely free to use. You get full control over the remote system, and there are no limits or restrictions on how much you can use it. So this is how you can use Google Remote Access to easily control another computer from anywhere. It is simple, fast, and completely free to use. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.